Going about 30 miles an hour down a gravel road, I suddenly lost throttle response. Engine went idle, and I got displays for C manual, service AdvanceTrac, hill start assist, not available. Um, I fortunately had a code reader in my glove box, and I had a code for throttle body being stuck closed. So, knowing that I had it at partial throttle at the speed of 30 to 40 miles an hour, I knew something was acting up with that motor. So I'd bang on it, and I'd turn the vehicle off, bang on it, start it up again, and then I could drive again until another bump set it off. So I'd go a couple hundred feet, a couple of miles, and then once I got on smooth pavement and got it at a more open throttle position at higher speeds, I was able to get it home without any problem. Ordered a new throttle body, gained access to the area, disconnected the connector, with pull back that red release tab, locking tab, pull the plenums back, and then this boot here going into the throttle body, get it out of the way, and took out these 4 bolts holding it to the intake, pulled it out, took a look at it, didn't see a lot of grime or anything that would really make it sticky, and so it felt pretty good that a new one was the solution. Was having internal motor issues. The aftermarket one was basically just a refurbished Ford one with the numbers filed off. I didn't realize I had this new gasket in there until I was all done putting this back on, so I had already wiped off the gasket and just reused it. The torque is 89 inch-pounds plus another 90 degrees turn for those bolts, but I just snucked it up tight for an air seal, put everything back together, and then erased the code, and that took care of my problem. So if you got a 2111 for a stuck open throttle body, 2112 for a stuck closed, or 2107, 2108 other throttle body related codes, this might be an issue you're looking at similar to mine. And so I hope you'll find this useful. I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you'll like and subscribe, and hopefully this will be helpful for you in the repair of your vehicle.